I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other auto related content. Today we're going to be diving into a feature that was introduced inside of Machine 3, and that feature is called Tempo Per Scene. And the way Tempo Per Scene works, it allows you to set a unique tempo for each and individual scene. So let me go ahead and show you how this works in action. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Let's dive into it. All right, so here I have a session pulled up, and what I want to do is start off by playing the audio so you know exactly what I'm working with. So I'm just going to hit scene on my machine controller, and we're going to go over to the intro and play it from the intro. And then the build. All right, so really quick, I'm going to create a song arrangement, and I can do that simply just by doing append on my machine controller, and then I'm gonna hit intro and build, and then we're gonna switch over to the song mode. So I can do that by hitting shift and holding ideas song, and now you can see my arrangement. So check this out. We have the intro and then we have the build again. So the idea that I want to demonstrate is basically have the build be a separate tempo from the intro. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what that looks like. So we can come up here to the build, and then I'm just gonna right click this here, and it's between the pattern and where it says build. So right in here, we're gonna just do a right click, and then we can select scene tempo. And then you're gonna notice right here where it says 107, and then there's a green line above that. So that means this is active, and then now we can change the tempo. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of chop this in half, and we're gonna say maybe about 53. So intro is gonna be 107, and then the build is gonna be 53. So you can create some tempo changes throughout your song, but it has to be within inside that scene. So I don't think this is automated yet, but this is a pretty cool feature so far if you want to change the tempo per the scene. So maybe you're doing something live and you want to be able to switch the tempos. You're now able to do that right here inside of Machine 3. So again, if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down in the description box below, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.